Now it's all dried out, or nearly all dried out, I'm going to wire wash the top of this, try and get all this loose paint off, clean it as best I can and paint it, protect that metal. I'm going to seal this up, dry this with a rag and tape that back up how it's supposed to be. Get the rag in there if I can. I'll do this off camera so I don't make a mess of that insulation. Set the camera somewhere, I'll probably show you me doing it on the compressor. There we go. I don't know if the camera can see that. Yep, they can. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's stuck. It's got to go there. Yeah, it's polished the copper. Keep that as clean as I can get it. There we go. Alright, take the remaining old stuff off. Alright, that's not going to come off there. There we go, I can tape it up. So, tape here, I'll get it off. No one leaves a nice end on this, so it's hard to grab it for the next person who wants to use it. There you go. That's what we're supposed to have, like that. Seal it. Hey Charlotte, what are you doing here? What's? Okay, yeah, there we go, that's pretty good. That's how I done it when I installed it. That's actually not quite as bad as I thought, but yeah, that's alright. And then I'm going to get the wire brush and we'll clean that up. See, this paint's all bubbled up down to here. So it's back down to here, I've got to remove paint because that's where all the water's gotten. If I paint over that, and that should seal the moisture out hopefully. It's just a mess. A little bit of pitting there too. Thankfully it's only on the surface. Alright, now get turpentine on the rag and I'll polish it up so I can start painting it. Now I used to wrap some newspaper around this to try and protect it a bit. I'll just put this bit over the fitting. Just an old TV guide newspaper. Stuff it over that. Just stop paint getting on it. Now I can start spray painting this. This stuff's pretty dear too, so I've got to use this stuff very wisely. Shake. Yeah, then a bit more shaking. That'll protect it. It might look like crap the colour, but it's better than that rusting away, so prevention's better than cure. Yeah, it's pretty good. Nice good coat on that, let that dry. I'll come check up on it. That's a pretty neat coating anyway, so it's all running behind the powder coat, so it should seal it. I try and get a bit more on there so it seals around those cracks. So yeah, it's doing pretty good. There we go. You see how thick the paint is, it's all sealed it now, so it's good. It's better thick coat of paint, it's better as thick as that powder coat. So yeah, it's sealing around there. Put a bit thicker coat around here. There we go, so now when the paint runs, it's going to run into that, under that paint that's come off, so it's going to seal it. There. That's dry now. So yeah, I'll come check it out when it's dry. So it's on the camera. Okay, it's all been repainted. I know the camera just made a clicking sound. What's up a minute? So yeah, it's all painted. I've run over it with the taps, ready to run, started to run, cleaned it up. This, yeah, looks pretty good. The date on the side here. There, it's 0902. So 2002 would have been made, this receiver. That was, then again, that was brand new when this was built. So yeah, this whole system, everything's all made in 2002. I think that's when we installed it. So yeah, about 8 years old. So yeah, I think it's that model is MTZ125HE4VE. I could be wrong, it might be a 4-cylinder, another 6-cylinder radial. I think that's how you tell if it is or not. So yeah, 4-cylinder, 460 volt, 3 phase, 60 Hz, 27 amps max, 380 to 400 volt, 3 phase obviously, 50 Hz, locked rotor amps, 105. Yeah. Yeah, pressure in here this can handle, or the pump can handle, is 22.6 bar, which is 1 bar is 14.5 psi. So yeah, times 14.5 psi times 22.6, and you work out how much psi, how much this is in psi. So yeah, marking is TS max 50 degrees Celsius. Low pressure side, TS min minus 35 degrees Celsius. Yeah, use of hydrocarbons is not approved by the manufacturer. Lubricant POE 16APZ, made in France. Danfoss manure, and it's a manure compressor. So yeah, reciprocating obviously. So yeah, even though it says the refrigerants it takes, R507A, 134, R404, R407, I don't know if R22 is a gas it's got, but it might have been, yeah, whatever oil I put in here, probably set it to R22 or R134A it could have been, and I'm not sure. I'll say it be R22 though. But yeah, that's all painted and done. I found myself a good sheet of plywood to put over this to protect it. So yeah, that's all cleaned out and done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Okay viewers, I just might add one thing. Here's a cover I made. Bits of galvanised steel strap. Text, put it to the wood and made hooks. Sit straight on. Just hooks on and hooks off. Easy. Protects the main unit itself. You can see the paint in there has already started to dry well and surely out. So yeah, protected now. So cool. Thanks for watching.